everyone! In today's video, I'll be giving you 10 free-to-use fantasy ideas for your manga, comic, or light novel. You can use these ideas as prompts, inspiration, or you can base your entire story around these ideas. I hope you enjoy today's ideas and it helps to inspire you in the stories that you're creating. Idea number 1. A character wakes up and finds themselves in a fantasy world that feels space-like. None of the plants or creatures or any of the surroundings seem normal. At first, they believe that they have somehow teleported to another world. However, later they discover that this is the world of Earth in the past. And now that this character has been sent to the past, they realize that they can change things that will rewrite the future. Idea number 2. A character learns through an accident or some kind of misunderstanding that they can talk to animals. Now with this new knowledge, they need to find and locate 7 different magical animals who need to be brought back together, otherwise calamity will befall the world. Idea number 3. A character gets lost in the forest one day and falls through a gap in the roots of a tree. After falling through the darkness, they wake up in a mysterious place where there are magical creatures and characters. When they try to turn back, the place where they fell through is now gone. Now stuck in a new world where they are quickly seen as the enemy, they begin to wonder how they will get home. And the longer they stay in this place, the more they seem to forget about who they were before. Later on, however, they meet someone who seems to know more about them than they know about themselves. Idea number 4. A character finds a magical crystal that can grant any wish at a price. The main character accidentally makes a wish on the crystal and finds themselves in an arena where they must fight using their newfound abilities. The other opponents are others who have made a wish on the crystal, and only one person can have their wish granted. As the main character didn't even want their wish in the first place and made their wish by accident, they decide to team up with some of the other opponents and try to work out a way to get out, or a way to make peace with the others now trapped in the arena. Idea number 5. A character gets lost and asks a stranger for help. Instead of helping them, the stranger pulls out a magical book and seals the character within it. Now trapped within the book, many years pass until one day someone finds the book in an antique bookstore. The character who finds the book quickly learns of the character trapped inside it and vows to help them get out. However, as they begin searching for the truth about their situation, they learn that there is more to this magical book than meets the eye. And now that they are working together, more opponents from the darkness, including the stranger from the past, attempt to stop them. Idea number 6. In a steampunk fantasy world, a character has a magical bicycle that they created themselves. This bicycle can fly great distances. In this manga or novel, you could detail their adventures on their magical bicycle as they help people and save the day in many different ways. Idea number 7. A character runs a potion shop, crafting different potions for different interesting supernatural ailments. But it is a lonely life until they come across a character who they found injured after falling down a cliff. They help this character with their injuries, but when they wake up, they learn that they have lost their memories. Determined to restore their memories, the characters live together, learning about each other and the meaningful things in their lives. Idea number 8. A character finds a pair of shoes with magical properties. After trying them on, they find that they can see many things that others cannot. But when the things they see start talking to them, the character realizes that the world they see exists along their own world. But through dark forces, these worlds could start merging, and they will have to rely on a friend they make in this other world in order to save both worlds. Idea number 9. A character has the ability to turn invisible at will. They have had this ability ever since they were young. However, this ability often does more harm than good. They begin to learn a lot about everyone else around them, but others barely know anything about them. That is, until someone begins to notice them, even when they are invisible. And they make an unlikely friend who sees them for who they really are. Idea number 10. A character commits a crime that they don't even remember committing. The evidence is clear, and it appears that they were the culprit, and yet they had no reason or memory of doing this. While awaiting trial, A fairy contacts this character and they learn that they are the true heir to the throne in the fairy kingdom. A long time ago they were brought to Earth in order to protect them, to await the time when they could reclaim their true position as ruler of the fairy world. But dark forces came to realize the truth and tried to sabotage this. Now a wanted criminal, this character must rely on the fairy to travel to the fairy world where they may reclaim their true legacy. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 10 ideas for your fantasy, manga, comic or novel. Let me know in the comment section down below which ideas were your favourite. Also let me know what kind of free ideas videos you would like to see in the future because I would really appreciate your thoughts. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!